U Dr. Alok Singh, ubadai u Assistant Professor haka Hindi Department, hapo School ba North Eastern Hills University, ulada ban ujor haka FIR persha ia u Presiden jongka sengki samla puli ka nehusu, usamla sandi sotun, kinthop ia sangut ki weipat, da kaba ula kenno bikite ki samla, kilawan ban syok bat dat ia u hakamra terekam jong u. Ulo ongru bagani ke jingjia, kala jia hinen kesengi ke arpusau terik uyayong, hakapor kumbasau sau pusan janmiet. Haka jingya keren menta kesengi ke arpusan terik uyayong bat kilat pathai kubor, u Dr. Alok Singh, u ong bakini ki brio, ki baam da itho, laitang u presiden jong gani husu, kilawan banrung haka kamra jong u, bat kange ke jingkang, bat syok bat dat yo u, da kaba ki ongru bu ule politics haka tei ke campus. Nakaliang uni ula ong, ba ula dep ban ujor da ke FIR, persya ikite brio bat dawaru naka nehu, ban bu ki bor yada niki security guard, ya baro ki nohikai, kenang bakum kini ki jingjia, kinum dei syuk banjia. Nakaliang ke administration jong ka nehu, kala pinrem jur halor ke tei ke jingjia, bat ongru baka nehu, kan sathau da ka komiti ban wat ya ka daw, balai kami kum ka tei ke jingjia.
Incident that Nehu Su president and 5 members coming in my chamber and close my door, and I say ki any what happened. So he says ki no, not anything. Please sit down and don't speak anything. And then 2 person that take hold my hand and then beat me, and that continuously that beating me, and in my hand, in my leg, in my head is that beating me. And many times I say, okay, what happened, please tell me what happened, don't speak anything, you're doing here politics. So I say I'm feeling very bad because I'm not doing anything wrong work, and then some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad? Please decide all, because I am mentally and healthily and physically I am very feeling bad. I am not properly speak because as a teacher I am not that imagine this type incident in my life. So please, I ask, please provide security because I am feeling not good. As a teacher, I am not that mentally feeling good. So I say, please for me give justice, because as a teacher, anyone come in the new campus and beat the teacher, this is not good. So all people, I say, I am wrong, please say not. I am wrong, then I listen all things. But no any reason you come the office and then beat me. This is not good for me. And last I say, please give the justice, because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem, and someone coming beating in India. So this is not my culture, this is not my thought. Please protect me and justice me.
What time happened to school?
4:45
Yesterday?
yesterday.
Okay, so did you give the FIR?
Yeah, because that yesterday I am going civil hospital and check up my all things, that is my hand also, so my things. And civil hospital going, and then some injection given me and X-ray. But says not anything, because it is beating me only hand and in my backside and my leg and head. So in my chamber, that one paper cutting that knife, and then my neck, the paper cutting knife, and then I say I kill him. This incident, I'm not I pray that provides security, because I am feeling not very well, because this incident mentally and healthily I am very weak. So that's
Did you file any FIR
yes.
against this?
Yeah, against today morning, because last that police protection and police inform, because I am not going, I am not that speak the voice, then that in future anyone that can this type incident do that. So I thought because my mother is also police, so then he says to FIR, and then my morning FIR, and then police taken.
Do you know them personally?
Yeah, some that face I know very well.
Right?
Do you know their name?
His new president, Sandy South Indian Five members. Incident. Many times I say, to then my mentally out of control. So then I say कि I am invite PC office and say something what happened in my chamber. So please listen, and then you decision take. New president says कि I am not coming PC office. You come to my office.
So you'll meet them today.
Yeah, today just Dr. Alok Singh.
Nong hikai isha assault physically te katkum kajing ong jong tau nong hikai ong ba de ki khna rengim tip satya ba dei manu te hakane ka pot ki u tu khna u professor u nong hikai jong ka in the department ula file ya ka FIR shaka mokta outpost but ki pulit ki dang ya wat ka daw balai ka ja pada jinja ka campus of the university mangi na kaliang kanihu pat ka administration ngim kwa ba kum ki ki jinja kan ja campus of the university ka jaka ule puti ke ni kwa ba kinong hikai pat kum jo na indan ha safety security but kermen makum kini ki jinja kin jashu ha kani university ha apo campus of the university but ke university ru menta kadang form ya committee ban pet ban wat ke ka daw ka baja ka jinja te nginda form ya committee kan sa ka committee kan sa wat ka daw but menta ngimla ban kamen manu bakla ne ka jinja manu ba le manu ba khamle ngimla ban ong tikna ya ki nong le mo kat kumba ong ta inong hikai menta hakani ka po nishu kwa ban ong ni ki pai ba ka nehu ka de ka jaka ban kule but ka university ka pandem ya kum kita ki jingle ne ni sho hat ba physical altercation ka kadan ha ka university ngim ko ba kandan pindini ki jingja tingi kermen maka pulit kan wan kan yo e ka solution kan yo man wat e ka daw ka jingja do.
The law will take its own course, okay? And then I've already instructed the SP and then the law enforcers to make sure that the security and safety of the whole campus of NEHU is fully secured.
So what sort of security arrangement, additional police?
Why should I tell you? I've told you that we have already provided enough security, so I don't think I need to detail you what, how many or why and what and where. I think that is the duty of the government, how to make sure that the safety, security of all, be it students and be it the faculties and everybody are safe.
What would you like to tell?
I've told you already, I think through you only, my request is to all the concerned in the campus of NEHU that don't worry and don't have any kind of tension, because now from the government we have already strengthened the security and we'll make sure that everybody are safe, staying or who is going to the Nehru campus.
But recently,
Don't ask me further about that. As I said to you, it is the prerogative depending upon the situation. I think the law enforcer or the police department is on the job to make sure that the safety of people over there is fully secured.